Nitric oxide is recognized as one of the most important molecules produced by the body. It was named Molecule of the Year in Science in 1992, and in 1998, the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine was awarded to 3 U.S. scientists responsible for its discovery. Nitric oxide is a messenger molecule that plays a role in nearly every organ system in the body, regulating hormone secretion, nutrient metabolism, cardiac contractility, immune function, and cognitive health. One of nitric oxide's most recognized functions is serving as a vasodilator to promote healthy blood pressure and blood flow. Blood pressure is the pressure blood exerts when pushing against the arterial walls, which carry blood from the heart to other parts of the body. Hypertension or high blood pressure is when the blood pressure is higher than normal. Having hypertension increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Both of these are leading causes of death in the United States. Nearly half of all adults in the U.S. have hypertension, which is a systolic blood pressure greater than 130 or a diastolic pressure greater than 80. However, only 1 in 4 adults with hypertension have this under control. And even scarier, approximately 46% of adults globally are not even aware that they have elevated blood pressure, which is why hypertension is considered the silent killer. Without sufficient nitric oxide production, healthy regulated blood flow and circulation to every organ is lost. This results in dysfunction and inflammatory responses, oxidative stress, and immune function. Moreover, the functional loss of nitric oxide production through the enzymatic nitric oxide synthase, or NOS, in the endothelial cells is termed endothelial dysfunction. It's considered the earliest stage in the development of hypertension. Nitric oxide stimulates the production of cyclic GMP, which results in vasodilation of vascular smooth muscle cells, helps mitigate platelet, leukocyte, and thrombocyte adhesion and aggregation, and exerts anti-inflammatory, anti-proliferative, and anti-migratory properties. Loss of nitric oxide production has been shown to precede the structural changes associated with cardiovascular disease, such as arterial stiffness and plaque deposits, which can occur years or decades later. Nitric oxide has a short half-life of a few seconds. Thus, continuous and sustained nitric oxide generation is essential for cardiovascular system and healthy blood pressure. The body utilizes 2 pathways that work in tandem to promote optimal nitric oxide production. The first pathway of nitric oxide production requires the precursor amino acid L-arginine and healthy structure and function of the vascular endothelium. Clinical studies show that supplementing with L-arginine may increase nitric oxide bioavailability. L-citrulline can serve as an endogenous precursor to arginine, thereby increasing nitric oxide production. This pathway is supported by optimal antioxidant status, such as supplementing or consuming the antioxidants vitamin C or glutathione, and sufficient nutrient cofactor availability. Unfortunately, this pathway can decline due to genetic polymorphisms, certain metabolic conditions, or the natural aging process. And studies have shown that as much as 75% of nitric oxide production is lost in the endothelium in the coronary arteries of people aged 70 to 80 compared to young, healthy 20-year-old controls. Unlike the first pathway, the second pathway, called the enterosalivary pathway, does not decline with age, but requires 2 necessary elements: dietary intake of food or supplements, and a healthy oral microbiome. The enterosalivary pathway is also supported by vitamin C intake, and the latest research has explored the role of hydrogen sulfide in promoting healthy nitric oxide homeostasis and vasodilation. Clinical studies and animal models show that regular exercise improves endothelial function and helps to restore nitric oxide production. Dietary or supplemental support of antioxidant status and routine intake of nitrate-containing foods such as green leafy vegetables and beets will also help promote nitrous oxide production and maintenance. New research is investigating how supporting a healthy microbiome is vital for proper nitrous oxide production and healthy food pressure. Additionally, supporting proper gastric acidity is needed for healthy nitric oxide production. Numerous ways to support healthy, sustained nitrous oxide production in the body are being explored in research, and understanding and supporting the dual pathways of nitrous oxide production can help support cardiovascular health and healthy blood pressure. If you need any more information, or you would like to ask me a question, or you're curious about any supplementation that you can take to make this production of nitric oxide easier, please feel free to contact me at the link above. Yours in health, I'm Dr. Kim Carlucci. Have a fabulous, healthy day.